This is DZEC 1062 kHz Radyo Aguila, a commercial AM station owned and operated by the Eagle Broadcasting Corporation with license from the National Telecommunications Commission with station license number BSD-021-2021-0937, authorizing this station to operate until December 31, 2024. DZEC 1062 Radyo Aguila broadcasts from 4 o'clock in the morning until 12 o'clock midnight with a power of 40,000 watts. Our studio is located at number 25 Central Avenue, Diliman, Quezon City. And our transmitter is located at Barangay Paliwas, Obando, Bulacan. DZEC 1062 Radyo Aguila is under the supervision of the following personnel duly licensed by the Professional Regulation Commission and the National Telecommunications Commission. Electronics Engineer Erickson Ventura, ECE number 44844. Electronics Engineer Arturo Pascua Jr., ECE number 43934. With first-class radio telephone operators. Our studio personnel, Enrico Erbite, registration number 94-1RTG-7204. Gracious Pascual, registration number 92-3PNCR-352. Our transmitter personnel, Mervin Ortiz, registration number 94-1PNCR-10851. Ronel Mariado, registration number 13-1PNCR-26656. DZEC 1062 kHz Radyo Aguila now welcomes you to another day of broadcasting activity. 5 decades of excellence in broadcast communication. EBC, Eagle Broadcasting Corporation. Ito ang Radyo Aguila. DZEC 1062 sa Mega Manila, WIM 1080 sa Northern Luzon, DZEL 1260 sa Southern Saga, UYFX 1305 sa Visayas, at DXED 1224 sa Southern Mindanao. Ito ang Radyo Aguila. Mabilis, malakas, pumapagaspas.
Narito na ang mga balitang tinutukan ng mata ng Aguila. 5 property ni Apollo Kibuloy sa Davao, sinalakay ng mga tauhan ng Philippine National Police. Radio reporter, kinuyog at sinaktan ng mga miyembro ng Manibela sa gitna ng kanilang transport strike. Porac, Pampanga Mayor Jaime Capil, itinangging protektor ng Pogo Hub. COMELEC maghihigpit sa pagbabantay sa mga kandidatong gagamit ng AI at deepfake technology sa panahon ng kampanya. Senate President Chief Escudero, ikinatitigil muna ang konstruksyon ng bagong gusali ng Senado. Tripleng halaga nito, ikinabigla. Rollback sa presyo ng produktong petrolyo, ipapatupad bukas. Sa police beat, bangkay ng mangingisda na inatake ng buwaya sa Palawan, natagpuan na. At sa balitang abroad, sigalot ng North Korea at South Korea lumalala dahil sa ipinalilipad na balloons ng NOCOR.